Ever accidentally deleted an invoice, check, or bill and felt that instant panic? If you think a deleted transaction is gone forever, you might be in for a pleasant surprise. Today, we're restoring a deleted transaction in QuickBooks. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. QuickBooks has a safety net, the audit log. This log records every action taken in the file, including deletions, and often allows you to reverse them. The lifeline, the audit log. In QuickBooks Online, go to Settings, the gear icon, then select Audit Log. You can filter the log by date, user, and event type. Look for the delete event related to the transaction you need to recover. The restoration, it's often reversible. For many transactions, you'll see an undo button right in the audit log. Clicking this will restore the transaction to its original state, as if the deletion never happened. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: act quickly and check your reconciliations. If you've reconciled the account since deleting the transaction, restoring it will put it back as uncleared. You'll need to re-clear it during your next reconciliation to keep everything in sync. So, just like that, you have a powerful undo button for your accounting. Knowing how to use the audit log goes a long way in fixing mistakes with confidence. Now I'm curious, what's the most important transaction you've ever accidentally deleted? Did you get it back? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.